How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today is a quick video on the Turtle Wax Acrylic Ceramic Black Wax. How's it holding up here? Today is the 25th of June, so let's see how it's holding up. We had a rain shower come through earlier, so I decided, it's been sitting out in the sun for a while. I've been driving it for a couple weeks and everything. It's been a little over a month since I put this on. So I was like, it's got all that dust on it, it's been sitting on it and everything, so let's go ahead and just wash it. So what I did was I rinsed it off. Now just sitting there with the rain on top of it, it was fine. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. But once I wet it down, I had a totally different reaction. So let's get over to the car and I'll show you. Now as you can see, just sitting on the car looks absolutely amazing. It really does. Everywhere you look, nice tight water beading. As you can see, really, really nice. But watch this. Now this car hasn't been washed yet. I'm just going to go ahead and it's been rinsed down. I'm going to show you what's going on. Here we are at the rear spoiler where you can see real good in the light. I'm going to wet it down real good. And look at it. It's not really beading, it's not really sheeting. The water will run off and then it turns into those small beads like that. It's really not doing like it was doing when I first applied. And what's really getting to me is I really want to put a topper coat on this, but I'm not going to because I want to see how long this lasts. But you see it's probably taken, I don't know, 15-20 seconds. I'll put in the video exactly how long so you know. Or you can watch your counter on the video itself for all that water to disappear. As you can see, there's still some right there. But it's not really beading like it used to. Now here we are at the side of the car. Same thing. See, it's not really sheeting, it's just running off slowly and then it turns into those beads. See, it's kind of crazy. Here's the top of the car. The hood is exactly the same way. I mean, the whole car is the same way. The only thing that does it a little faster is the side of the car, and that's because you got the water running downhill. But watch, I'll show you. Stop it. There's just a little bit better beading up toward the front of the car, but you can see the water kind of running off right there. So I'm going to wash it and see if there's any difference. If there's any difference, I'll let you know. If there's not, I'm not even going to bother putting it in the video. Not even firing the camera back up. But as you can see, just sitting here like if a rainstorm come along or something, sure, you got plenty of beads. And I've talked about in my little quick videos on Instagram and everything. The water's really beading nice, and it really is if you look at it. But with that said, I'm kind of disappointed in the longevity of it so far. I mean, it's still there. It's still getting water beading, so technically I'm happy with that part. But as far as the way the water sheets off and everything, what the expectations of the wax that I should be getting with it being ceramic and everything, it shouldn't take 10 to 20 seconds for the water to run off. It should be 2 or 3 seconds at max. So in final, and I'm trying not to talk loud because we got a group of people next door, and when you live this close you try to be respectful. I mean, they're always respectful, being quiet and everything. Even with all these cars and everything, they never cross over in our yard, they never turn around in our half of the driveway, they never raise a lot of cane and never real noisy. So we try to respect each other, and that's what the world should be like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end this video here, and I'm going to correct what I said. I'm not disappointed, I'm more bummed because the way that I'm thinking about it, it should be running off quicker than this. Am I wrong in the way I'm thinking? Let me know in the comments. But until next time, this is just a quick video. Now I got to make up my mind. Do I want to put another topper coat on it, or do I want to give it another week just to see how it does? I'll probably give it another week and then hit it with the black wax again and just put a topper coat on it and keep it waxed at that point, because the wax is really good. It hides scratches, it hides halos, swirl marks, stuff like that, and it does give a great layer of protection. I mean, here we are over a month. I should be getting a little more out of this, but this is a consumer grade product also, with that being said. So I may just, I'm gonna give it another week. I'm gonna make up my mind right now. I'm gonna give it another week, then I will reapply the wax, because this car has already been polished, and then put a topper coat on it. Just keep a topper coat on it, that way I can keep this car protected until I decide I want to try another product. So until next time, I won't ramble along anymore. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for stopping by.